Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about something new which most of the guys or even some people might have worried about. Have you ever got a MacBook? So I've got one. This is a M2 2020 version. It's an Air which I got recently. And also I'm really worried about the scratches I make if I keep it in some surface. Maybe the surface might be rough, or there might be some sand, or there might be some rocks as well in some places. So if I place it like this, so I'm really worried about the surface and I don't want to mess this around because I spent a lot of penny in this. So I bought something to protect this laptop from one of the top brands in the world, which is Satechi. Yeah. So this is a hard shell case from Satechi. It looks like this. Let's unbox it. It comes in two color. One is this really blackish color, which really goes with the space gray. Since I have a space gray one, I bought it. It even has a Satechi logo over here, so if you could see it, should be great. And you also have an base to cover it, so it is for the 13.6 inches. But you also have it for MacBook Pros, 16 inch, 14 inch, etc. So let me try to fix this on top of my laptop. It's really easy. You don't have to worry about a lot of stuff. You just have to keep it in place and it just snaps. And so I think this is the camera notch, so I'll just place it here like this and snap. Yep, perfect. So it actually is pretty nice with my MacBook, and the hard shell case is really weightless, so you could see it does really give a very space gray feel, and it is really light, guys. You don't have to worry about the weight, and it is just really the same, so it's really great. I'll drop the link of these products in the description down below. If you are trying to purchase it, just click it and there you go. You will direct it to the Amazon and you can get it. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.